Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Palantir Technologies, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by researching Palantir Technologies to understand its business model and core products. Visit the company's official website to gain insights into its offerings and mission. Read recent news articles and press releases to stay updated on any developments or partnerships. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one, ensuring it supports buying U.S. stocks. Fund your brokerage account by transferring money from your bank account. Search for Palantir Technologies using its ticker symbol, PLTR, in the brokerage platform. Review the stock's current price and historical performance within the platform. Analyze relevant financial metrics such as revenue growth, earnings, and market capitalization. Consider the company's competitive position within its industry and potential for future growth. Determine how much you want to invest in Palantir Technologies based on your financial situation. Place a market order for PLTR shares to buy at the current price, or set a limit order if you prefer a specific price. Review your order details carefully before confirming the transaction. After purchasing the shares, monitor your investment regularly through your brokerage account. Stay informed about Palantir by following their quarterly earnings reports and investor calls. Consider setting a target price or timeline for selling your shares based on your investment strategy. Evaluate your investment periodically to decide whether to hold, buy more, or sell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.